Climate change is one of the most pressing issues facing the world today. It is a complex and multifaceted problem that has the potential to affect almost every aspect of the environment and human society. Climate change is caused by the increasing levels of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. These gases trap heat from the sun and cause the Earth's surface temperature to rise. This warming is causing a range of impacts on the environment, including rising sea levels, more frequent and severe heat waves, droughts, and extreme weather events. Climate change affects the social and environmental determinants of health. Clean air, safe drinking water, sufficient food and secure shelter. The impact of climate change on the environment is significant and wide-ranging. For example, rising sea levels are causing flooding and erosion in coastal areas. While the changing temperature and rainfall patterns are affecting the distribution and abundance of plant and animal species. Between 2030 and 2050, climate change is expected to cause many deaths. Approximately 250,000 additional deaths per year from malnutrition, malaria, diarrhea and heat stress. The impacts of climate change are not limited to the natural environment. Human society is also being affected by the changing climate, in a number of ways. For example, climate change is leading to more frequent and severe natural disasters, such as hurricanes and floods, which can cause damage to infrastructure and disrupt the lives of people. In addition, the changing climate is affecting the availability and distribution of resources. Resources such as water, food, and energy, which can have economic and social impacts. The direct damage costs to health, that is excluding costs in health-determining sectors such as agriculture and water and sanitation, is estimated to be between $2 to $4 billion per year by 2030. Areas with weak health infrastructure, mostly in developing countries, will be the least able to cope without assistance to prepare and respond. To address the impacts of climate change, it is important that we take action. In order to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and mitigate the effects of global warming, this will require a range of measures, including reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, adopting more sustainable land use practices, and adopting more energy-efficient technologies. Through better transport, food and energy use choices can result in improved health, particularly through reduced air pollution. By taking action now, we can work to reduce the impact of climate change on the environment and human society. WHO has been working on climate change and health for over 25 years. It has developed a comprehensive approach aiming to support countries in order to assess and manage the health impacts posed by climate variability and change. WHO's approach aims to strengthen national capacities and improve their resilience. Also, adaptive capacity of health systems to deal with the adverse health effects of climate change. The key initiatives and projects by which WHO assists member states and partners on climate change and health are: conducting climate change and health vulnerability and adaptation assessments, development and implementation of the health component of national adaptation plans, country projects on climate change and health, strengthen the climate resilience of health systems, streamline financial resources for health and climate change, develop tools, guidance and training packages on climate change and health, integrated surveillance and climate-informed health early warning systems. WHO Special Initiative on Climate Change and Health in Small Islands Developing States. Strengthen the climate resilience and environmental sustainability of healthcare facilities.